Susan mistakenly left her phone in class at school one afternoon. She was relieved when her classmate Darren returned it to her intact. A week later, she received a message from Darren. He threatened to release photographs of her and her girlfriend in a compromising position if she didn't have sex with him. When she refused him, he released the photos. The school became aware of the situation and contacted Susan's mother. Susan confessed the entire story. Susan and her mom can seek redress using the following laws: the Cybercrime Act, which criminalizes Darren's unauthorized access of Susan's phone; the Child Pornography Act, which criminalizes Darren's distribution of sexual content of Susan, who is under 18; Section 42A of the Larceny Act, which criminalizes Darren's act of threatening to release Susan's photos if she didn't sleep with him. If you or anyone you know has been exposed or threatened in this way, get the bigger heads involved.